Hello and welcome to another update video about the SUI coin. So we take a look at the price chart from an Elliott wave point of view. Here in this or on this chart, we can see the daily chart. It's a daily time frame. It's a very relevant time frame for Elliott wave analysis. Often what you find on the smaller time frames, you see a lot of distortions and short-term volatility, which might do a change on the shorter time frame, short-term wave patterns, but it doesn't really affect the broader structure. So what is going on here on this chart? So first of all, let me remind you from previous videos, you might know that the $1.99 level is crucial support here. We don't want a decisive or sustained break below that support level. That would require a reinterpretation of the chart. I can tell you what that would mean. I would start to assume that a major top has actually already formed. Yeah, so it would be somewhere here. It would mean that the price top formed a little bit earlier than expected. However, please note that the rally from the August 2024 low to the upside is already very extended. So my assumption is that most of that rally is likely done. When we were up here, the risk was very, very high because we were far away from the support area on the daily time frame. And that support area, well, we've now reached it, we've tested it. The price is showing a response. While I record this video, the price is showing an 8% move to the upside already. That is, however, not substantial enough to confirm a low. As you can clearly see, if we take a look here at the daily time frame and we zoom in a little bit, you can see that the size of that move to the upside is not significant enough. There have been other rallies here, short-term rallies, in this overall downtrend, however. So we are dealing with an overall downtrend, and we get only very, very small reactions to the upside. And they have a certain size, but if they are not strong enough to really lead to a trend change, we cannot really confirm a low. Okay, so I will tell you what I need to see minimally to get a first for a first confirmation rather that a low has formed in wave 4. What is a wave 4? A wave 4 is a corrective pullback. So from an Elliott wave point of view, we are always looking for 5 wave patterns because the 5 wave pattern is a complete pattern. It's the most common pattern we find, but please note that a lot of cryptocurrency charts form long-term price tops after 3 waves. So we always have to keep that in mind. The third wave is normally the wave, or let's say the structure that is the most significant one, and that's also the one that a trader normally wants to be positioned in. It's this rally. Then usually we get a wave 4. That means when a lot of traders who entered down here, they are starting to take profits, price is coming down, 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 and then yeah, you get at some point the situation that the buyers are coming in again because the price is getting attractive again. And from a market sentiment point of view, that's typically towards the end of a fourth wave. We're now in this situation, which is why this chart is getting so interesting. Now, I get that normally a lot of people are frustrated when we're at this point, but that's exactly the market sentiment that we need for the price to turn around to the upside. So if we get one more high, and I'm going to watch for one more high as long as we're holding the $1.99 level, at least we need to avoid a decisive break below. Well, then the next move up would likely take us to round about $6.90 or $8.52, maybe even $11.50. But that would be a stretch. So I would not necessarily rely on a rally above $8.52. Now let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame here, because as I said, it is too small at the moment. You know, this rally is too small to confirm a low is in, but price action is getting promising. What I need to see next, however, would be a break above the $3.27 level, the swing high from Sunday. This would be needed as a first indication that a low is in, because see, in this entire move down, the price has not broken above previous highs. Only here, yeah, for the first time, which means maybe something is changing. Yeah, the price broke above that high, but it ended as a 3-wave rally, and 3-wave rallies do not allow for a trend reversal confirmation. So I need a break above this signal line located at $3.26, but it needs to be a break in 5 waves. I want the price to form 5 waves up. For now, this is a 3-wave move, but that is what I'm watching. And then above that, this level will be key at around $4.27 for better confirmation that a low is in. So we remain in a situation where it's getting very, very interesting because the reward to risk ratio is very attractive, but it's just too early to really confirm a trend reversal. But this is an area where the buyers could step in. So that's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.